Welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain the Discover LA app review to see if it worth using. So let's dive into the explanation. The Discover LA app is the official traveling guide of Los Angeles designed to help visitors explore the city with ease. It offers a curated recommendation for attractions, restaurants, events, and hidden gems, along with the practical tools like public transit direction, neighborhood guide, and film location makers. The app also includes extras such as weather update, currency tools, and even sectional scavengers hunt, which make it both informative and interactive for travelers. However, some users report occasional glitches such as the login issues or the app logging them out unexpectedly, which can interrupt the experience from the app. While the app provides great value in terms of curated content and insider tips, this technical hiccup may frustrate those who expect flawless performance. And in short, the app still worth using if you want a personalized, content-rich guide to Los Angeles, but not ideal if you prioritize smooth, error-free functionalities. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more reviews.